Hi, and welcome to the Mock Galaxy Catalogue walkthrough. My name is Caitlin Watts, and I'm an undergraduate student at the University of Waterloo. A few months ago, on one of my co-ops, I had the opportunity to work with Madeline A. Marshall of the National Research Council of Canada on this really cool project. I've chosen a couple different files for us to take a look at today. They're all from the Redshift 7 group, and they're all roughly the same wavelength, just for consistency purposes. But I've chosen one file from each of the different telescopes so we can take a look at what the same galaxy would look like across the different telescopes. The program that I've decided to use today is DS9. I find that it handles FITS files reasonably well if I just want to take a look at things. And we're going to start with the Euclid file. As you can see on the left there are over 17,000 galaxies in this sample. The first header in every file corresponds to all the images in the file. So we get things like the telescope, instrument, filter, and general parameters like the field of view, the resolution, the supersampling rate, and the redshift. All the other headers contain information on the specific galaxies themselves. So they contain the galaxy masses, the flux as seen by the instrument, as well as the measured size in a variety of units. Now, if I pull up the slider on the left here, I can enter the index of the galaxy I'd like to take a look at. I can also cycle through the different indices by hitting the play button or by cycling through the next and last buttons. I can change the color map over here just to make it a little more visually interesting. Now I'm going to grab a couple of the other files so that we can display them side by side and compare the images. So here's Hubble. I'm going to select the same galaxy index to take a look at. And then we're going to do the same thing for James Webb. And now we can see visually the same galaxy for Euclid, Hubble, and JWST. Next, I want to take a look at the header for JWST and compare it to Euclid. So once we've grabbed the same galaxy index header for both telescopes, we can see the differences between the flux and the radius of the same galaxy for different telescopes. So now we've got all the images displayed for the same galaxy through 6 different telescopes. You can see the file name on the top. We have Euclid, Hubble, JWST, Roman, Subaru, and Vista. This has been the walkthrough of the Mock Galaxy Catalogue, coming soon to the MAST archive.